What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We're currently in line at McDonald's, gonna get some food, then we're gonna head over to Pick and Pull. Yesterday I picked up an OBD2 to OBD1 jumper, and I want my shit to have like pops and bangs, so I need to like downgrade to OBD1. So what I've read, OBD1 doesn't have the secondary sensor for the cat that tests if the cat is good or not, so that'll get rid of my check engine light as well. Alright, your boy got his McChickens, she got a coffee, I got my soda. Alright, so we're gonna head out now. Ooh, we made it. We're looking for a parking spot now. Alright, we're coming up on one. Oh wait, it's your first time being at a junkyard, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like, honestly, my car is like 50% every other car here. Alright, let's see. Huh? Yes, sir. Oh boy. Oh yeah, fun stuff. Alright, on to the next one. That's clean. That's clean. I like this color. Knowing my luck, there's probably not going to be any computers with OBD1. Oh, I just walked through a spider web. I don't like it. Doesn't look like there's any this way. Come. Oh, hello. Hello.
Starting to say hello to other things.
This thing is kind of clean. Oh, this is the clean one. Is there an ECU? Oh, there is. Someone already did me the favor of taking this cover off. I actually need this bolt or plastic trim piece. Oh, look at all these gold bolts. Oh, they're so pretty. We take. I'm in the middle. Hello. Let me just fix this real quick. We're going to the river, so I'm gonna finish up the rest of this video tomorrow morning. We're back from the beach, and so I got a little excited and I went ahead and installed the ECU along with the jumper just to find out that I'm pretty sure this is the wrong jumper. So I'm missing like this, like there's no pin sticking out. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing, but I got the pinouts right here. This is the ECU I have right now, and there's the OBD1 ECU. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip pin all these, because it looks like these are all in the wrong spot anyways. I don't know. Hopefully this works. So we got injectors now, so car's getting fuel, that should be no problem. So I'm gonna continue going. So it's been an hour, got it. But yeah, we're gonna go out to the car. We're gonna try to start the car up. We'll see how it goes. If it runs, that'd be really cool. If not, then I'm just have to go back through this mess and try to figure out where I went wrong. I really hope it starts, dude. Alright, so it's all plugged in. Has no problems, but I don't know. We're gonna go test drive right now, see how it drives. Hopefully we don't end up stranded in the middle of nowhere, because that'll suck. But yo, what's up everybody? Alright, so it's the next day, or next morning I guess. So I've been thinking I shouldn't have a check engine light, so I figured I probably wired up something wrong. So I'm down here this morning, going back through the pinouts, and I noticed that I forgot. My bad. I forgot the PO2 SHTC, which is the primary O2 sensor heater control. So I wired that up right now, and I'm just going through the list, seeing what else I forgot. Yo, to the people who do this for a living, all this wiring up stuff, man, props to you, dude. Like, this is horrible. Like, alright guys, so I think I found the problem. I didn't wire up the OBD2, or I'm so stupid. I didn't wire up the primary O2 sensor, so that could definitely be the cause for my check engine light. But yeah, let's grab the harness and let's go out there and, like, I hope this works, dude. I really hope so. Like, oh, dude, it's so warm out. Oh my god. Yeah, so my tripod should be coming in the mail today. So no more of this weird, like, funky angles whenever I film. So I'm really stoked about that. Let me set this up. Perfect. Shit. All right. Sweet. All right. Moment of truth. If you guys are wondering why I could start the car without pressing the clutch pedal, is because when I did the swap, the auto manual, I never wired in the clutch pedal. So, yeah. Okay, it went off. So I did this yesterday, but as soon as you turn the car on, it turns back on, so. Oh, yo! Hell yes. Okay. Okay, I dig it. So far, nothing. Yo, my check engine light has been on forever. Like, honestly. My check engine light has been on for, like, I don't know, since the auto to manual swap. Which, hell yeah, dude. So yeah, so that looks like it was my problem. It was just my O2 sensor was just not wired up. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know. Definitely comment, subscribe. If you guys subscribe, that lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out, and that gives me motivation to put out more content. You guys know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm stoked. I got the whole thing figured out. Now we just need a chipped ECU, and you know, we can tune, get some pops and bangs going on. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. I'm so happy I got rid of my O2 sensor, or the O2 sensor in the cat, so that's no longer a problem. But yeah, all right, guys, it's been a fun video. It's been your boy Rio. I'll see you guys next time, man.